Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we show guys battery percentage on our screen. Friends, you can see guys now guys we cannot show guys how much battery percentage we have in our phones. Okay, how can we show guys this Samsung phone guys battery percentage guys? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we show it. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting, as you can see this type of setting. So how can we show get this battery percentage? Guys, we will click on get this notification setting and guys click on advanced setting. Friends, click on show battery percentage. Guys, we will show from here. So after on it means guys after show friends you can see guys we can check as battery percent. So friends you can see guys we have got this 36% battery in our Samsung phone device. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to show battery percentage on a status bar in Samsung phone device. So bye guys. We will meet on next video. Bye guys.